How do you add apps to the home screen on your Galaxy S25 series? Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually go ahead and then add applications to your home screen from your app drawer on your Galaxy device. So let's get started with today's video. If you want to add apps to home screen on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, it's fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is to add apps to home screen. Currently it is on my app drawer, right? So let's say I want to add to the home screen just like I've added multiple ones here. What I have to do is just press the app from the app drawer and hold on it until it gets dragged to the home screen itself, and you can see I can drag it there. I can repeat the process for other apps. Let's say for the Netflix app, I can just long press on it, hold, I can just do that. Or I can, when I long press on it, you'll also find a pop-up that says add to home. That also you can do. Just depending upon what you want to do, you can add those apps to your home screen. So I hope the video helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.